YouTube! Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Today I'm showing you a new haul from Victoria's Secret for their Spring 2020 collection, and here are my picks. So this first off is a little cami slip dress, and I'll show you guys the length of it. So it's the perfect thing for just lounging around the house, and it's not very fitted, but this material is just fabulous. I love the way that it flows and it's not tight at all. And this one was about $60, so it's not very fitted, but it kind of drapes. So I really like that. I really absolutely love this color. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. Let's see what else I have. So they have this black lacy push-up bra, which I think it's a necessity in every woman's wardrobe, and they're having a sale right now where you get 2 bras on Victoria's Secret and you get 1 for free in the stores. And this is really pretty because it has the see-through lace on the side. I also got it in pink. I love pink because it's a really feminine color, and this bra is $59 by itself, but they have that deal where you buy 2 and you get 1 for free. This is called the Dream Angels push-up bra, and I just really love the lace details, and I love this beautiful lace on the side also. Another pink one. Spring is my absolute favorite because they always come out with the most beautiful colors for spring. The most beautiful feminine colors. This is a very sexy push-up bra, is the name of this one. And I think it's so pretty on the back how it has the straps like that. It's a really special little detail. And then this cup has a little bit of padding in it. And then on the front, it has the little extra strap right there. So I think this is really just beautiful. And the price on this one is $59. This bra is $34 by itself, but they had a special where you buy 2 and you get it for $50. And this one is called, let's see if it says, this is the Wear Everywhere push-up, and I'll show you the details. So this is it in like a pink lacy leopard, and then on the side it has lace, and it's got this band that says pink. And it has a little bit of padding, but not a whole lot. I would say it's like a shaped cup. And you can see it has this pretty lace once again. I think that it would look really smooth and not show under a business shirt. So that's these. These are on the pink side, and these are on special. They have a special on panties over on the Victoria's Secret side where you buy 3 and then you get 3 for free. So you get 6 panties for the price of 3. And let's see if it says which one this is. The Dream Angels Itsy Mini. And you can see it's got the pretty lace. They're all different shades of pink because because that's my thing now. I'm only buying black, pink, and nude. So different shades of pink and then black and then nude, and then everything's gonna all coordinate. And so it's like a capsule wardrobe, but doing it with your lingerie so that everything matches. And so I'll show you guys the panties. I think this is so pretty. And it looks very well made. It says Victoria's Secret in that gold. And it's got the lace. This is the most beautiful color of pink, and it goes with this. And once again, it has all the beautiful lace. This is the Dream Angels Brazilian. I love these ones because they're just really comfortable because of the cotton, and it's got the lace on the sides. So I could even wear this to the gym because the cotton, it doesn't get sweaty, it's not lacy down here. And this is called, let's see if it says, it just says thong. And I got that same design in different shades of pink. And then this one has lace all the way throughout. Let's see if this has a name. No, it just says thong. This is so beautiful. You see like the details in the front of it. And this is the back part. This is the Dream Angels Brazilian once again, just in a different color. I wanted them all to be a little bit different because before I've bought like 3 pairs of the exact same underwear, and then I'll kind of, if I do that, I'll feel like I'm wearing the same underwear multiple days in a row, even though I'm not. It's a different pair. I don't like that, so I get them all a little bit different. And this is another beautiful pink one. You can see the back. This is called the Dream Angels. And this one, so beautiful, another shade of pink. And it's got this little design on the back that is so beautiful. And then this is nice because it's like a pinky nude. And in the front, it's just like a microfiber and it's plain. But then in the back, it has this beautiful lace. And it just says thong, so it's not like a part of a collection. When we're building our wardrobe for our lingerie, we want for everything to coordinate with everything else. So you see that I've got these different, pink lacy things, and they go together. And I think that's really important, to be able to always feel like you're coordinated. So that's why I didn't get any purple or blue or yellow or bright red. I'm doing pink and nude and black, and that's it. That's all the colors that I need now. I have 5 bras total that I got, and I got 11 new panties. I was trying to actually get 12 because they have that deal where you get 3 and you get 3 for free. So I was trying to equal 12 to get the most bang for my buck, but I somehow didn't get one of the pairs in there. In my life, I feel like I really only wear certain types of bras and certain panties, I've noticed. And when I find one that I like, I will wear it out. So I've noticed the things that I like, and I love the pinks and the nudes, and I get use out of the black, and so that's why I'm sticking with those colors. And then as far as bras, I was trying to figure out how many I need. And I know I need sports bras for working out, and then I need bras for going on dates and things like that. And I love the push-up because it just gives you a little lift. And so I got 3 bras that I would wear like for going out or for dates. And then I got 2 bras that I would wear for work. And then I have a bunch of workout bras, which are not going to be in this video. And then I have some bras that I already own. But I do feel like after a year, the bras start to get worn out and the elastic starts to get looser. And so they just don't do as much for you. They don't support you as much. And so what I feel like is we need to get rid of our bras after like a year and after they start to get stretched out. So get rid of them, go and get some more on these deals that they're having right now. And definitely check out the new spring collection. I think it's a perfect Valentine's gift. A Valentine's gift for yourself, or if you're dating somebody, then tell them to go and get you some beautiful things. Then, okay, so as far as bras, if we were doing laundry once a week and then we know that we need at least 7 bras. And if we're wearing it for multiple days, like if you're not really sweating, you're not that active, you can wash your bras after wearing it like 2 or 3 times, because then your bras are gonna last longer and you won't lose the elasticity so fast. So if we're washing our bras after like 2 or 3 uses, then we may need like somewhere between 7 and 14 bras, I would imagine, if we're thinking about how often we would use them in a month. And then as far as underwear, I was trying to figure out, how many pairs of underwear does a girl really need? But a lot of times I'll change my underwear just to go to the gym. 7 to 14 pairs of just gym underwear. And then I would also want to have like 7 to 14 pairs of other types of underwear, like underwear that's pretty comfortable to wear for work, but then underwear that is kind of like more special, like maybe not quite as stretchy and comfortable, but just like really, fashion. I feel like once I understand, exactly how many pairs I need, then what I'll do in the future is, because I change my underwear once or twice a day. A lot of times twice a day, because when I work out and I go to the gym, then I shower after and I don't want to keep wearing the same underwear, and then I do my laundry either once a week or once every 2 weeks. So if I did my laundry once every 2 weeks and I wore 2 pairs per day, then that would mean I would need 28 pairs of underwear. I mean, just try to figure out like what your schedule is and how much you actually need and what your laundry schedule will be also. And then the other thing, when you wash your bras, you want to put them into a mesh bag so that they don't get twisted around. So go get a mesh bag or just hand wash it, because then it'll last a lot longer. And then what you can do, my concept is to make like a capsule wardrobe for lingerie where everything matches with everything else, or coordinates at least. And then what you can do is you can go down to Victoria's Secret just once a year, maybe twice a year, and then that's all you need to do. And you'll end up saving money in the long run, because you just buy things that all match together, and then you always look really coordinated and put together. And I feel like usually if you buy nice pieces, they'll last for a year. And so then once a year, like for me, probably right before Valentine's Day, I'll know, okay, it's time to go there and stock up again for the year. So that's my little idea as far as how to shop for lingerie. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep on watching my channel for more great content, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys liked this. If you liked it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We're going to put out a lot of new videos with great content, and you will get to see more beauty and fashion, diet, fitness, and positivity. and motivation. I want for everybody to hit their goals in 2020 and beyond.